These viral yogurt bites are endlessly customizable and such a delicious, healthy alternative to ice cream. We're gonna try these in 3 different flavors. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making yogurt bites in 3 ways. Before we begin, do me a little favor and hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that little notification bell. Let's get into it. Start by preparing the strawberry chocolate yogurt bite mixture. In a bowl, combine the diced strawberries, Greek yogurt, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Mix this all together. Let's prepare the second flavor combination. Add the diced mango, Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and condensed milk to a bowl, and mix to combine. Prepare the third mixture. Add creamy peanut butter, Greek yogurt, condensed milk, vanilla extract, and same thing, mix it all up. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper and use a spoon to create small, circular mounds of the yogurt mixtures on the prepared sheet pan. Do this for each of the 3 different types of yogurt bites. Now freeze these for 1 hour or until solid. In a small microwave-safe bowl, add the semi-sweet chocolate chips and the coconut oil. In a second small microwave-safe bowl, add the white chocolate chips and coconut oil. Melt both of these in 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring this in between until it is completely melted. Coconut oil is fabulous for mixing with chocolate because it melts the chocolate super smoothly and evenly, which is perfect for dipping, and it also creates this stunning, shiny coating for anything you dip. Now let's go grab the frozen bites. Peel the strawberry yogurt cluster off of the sheet pan. Dip the strawberry yogurt clusters into the melted chocolate, one at a time. Transfer them back onto the parchment paper and freeze them until the chocolate completely sets. Peel the peanut butter yogurt cluster off the sheet pan and do the same thing. Dip both sides of this cluster into the melted chocolate too. Then transfer the peanut butter yogurt cluster back onto the parchment paper and sprinkle a little flaky salt on this one. Do it just before the chocolate sets so it really kind of adheres to the chocolate coating. Last one, now dip both sides of the mango yogurt clusters into the melted white chocolate. Transfer these delicious mango clusters back onto the parchment paper and sprinkle them with the finely shredded coconut before the chocolate sets. Freeze these until the white chocolate is completely set and it is solid. And with this whole recipe, you're welcome to have fun with this process. Get creative with your combinations. Try different types of berries and chocolate coatings, and even add fun toppings like crushed nuts or even a little colorful sprinkles. Like any frozen yogurt treat, these bites will melt fairly quickly, so keep them in the freezer until right before serving. Serve them cold and enjoy! Babes, if you like this recipe, do not forget to head to that description box below, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes. You will not only find this recipe, but also a whole library of others. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I will see you next time.